So before you go into the woods, another important thing is to let somebody know where you are. That could be your spouse. Drop a pin, text it to them, make sure they reply, saying that they know where you are or that they got your message. If you're hunting with a buddy, you use the sign in where you're going. If you decide to move to another area, send a text. It's really important. If something did happen, if you fell out of your stand and you were hooked up, you're still going to need some help getting down, so they need to know where you are. So even if you're technically safe, who wants to hang in a tree for 48 hours before somebody finds you? That could be life-threatening as well. So make sure you let somebody know where you are, and if you move, let them know where you are then too.